I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by changing small daily habits that scale across millions of people. Donate at least 1% of your income to effective charities each month. That consistent giving funds proven interventions and leverages larger systems. Spend 15 minutes per day practicing mindful consumption and recycling routines. Track plastics, food waste, and packaging to cut waste steadily. Choose active transit such as walking or biking twice weekly and reduce car trips by 25%. Simple habits compound when many people adopt them and create measurable impact over years. Next, engage with local systems where your voice matters most. Contact local representatives at least quarterly to support environmental and social legislation. Explain how policies affect your neighborhood and request specific actions. Volunteer 1 to 3 hours weekly with community organizations or mutual aid groups. Consistent volunteer time builds capacity and trust in local networks. Support small local businesses and cooperatives to strengthen resilient local economies and keep wealth circulating within your community. These actions influence policy and create durable community-level change when many people participate. Finally, think globally and adopt habits that lower large-scale harm. Reduce meat intake by 1/4 to decrease your personal greenhouse gas footprint significantly. Substitute plant-based meals twice weekly and choose sustainable sourcing. Avoid non-essential flights and aim to cut aviation miles by roughly 50% per year. Travel smarter and combine trips to minimize emissions. Plant or fund 1 tree per month to support reforestation and biodiversity where it matters. Collective global habits paired with local action produce resilient, long-term solutions for our shared future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.